Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to restart your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So, at first, to restart your phone, you can hold the power button and power volume down button here to see this menu, which is the power menu. Here you can tap restart to restart your phone. But if your screen is frozen, hold the volume down and power button until your screen goes off. Volume down and power. Now our phone should be soft resetted. So now let's wait a moment, and in a moment our phone should boot up. And now, as I can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.